A relic of the Soviet era, this massive structure is slowly being consumed by the very forces it was built to contain.
Look at this sign.
What is it?
Radiation hazard. Check the levels.
Stay close to the wall.
Copy that. Watching for rebar.
All right, easy with that chain. Watch your footing in the mud. Secure that shackle now. Clear the area. We're engaging the hydraulics.
We found it. It's massive.
The launcher section is still buried. We need to proceed carefully.
Easy now, slow lift on 2. Watch the ceiling.
Keep it steady, bring it another meter forward. Easy now.
Look at the stress fractures here on the hull. We need to secure this section before we move it.
Confirmed secure.
All right, let's move out.
Look at the state of these tubes. Yeah, completely rusted through here. We'll need the heavy cutters. Check the thermal signature on the chassis first.
It's worse than we thought. The corrosion goes deep.
We'll need to replace the entire module.
The rust penetration on the launcher tubes is extensive.
Yes, and the armor plating near the hatch is severely compromised. We need detailed measurements.
Look at the material loss right here on the 5th tube.
The scan confirms it. We're looking at a full replacement of the assembly. The structural integrity on these tubes is compromised.
Yes, the scanner confirms the warping is extensive. We'll need to reinforce the entire assembly.
The track links are completely misaligned.
We need to replace the whole section. Look at the rust on that torsion bar.
The corrosion here is deeper than anticipated, right at the weld joint.
Confirmed. The structural integrity in Sector Gamma is compromised.
It's completely seized.
The oil cooler is ruptured too. We're looking at a full replacement.
The stress fracture on the hydraulic support is severe.
Thermal imaging confirms significant degradation inside cell Fortin.
And the alignment is completely off spec.
The depth on this one is critical.
Confirmed. We're seeing severe internal fissuring at 5 millimeters.
This rotation bearing is completely seized. We can't even budge the outer ring.
The schematics show a major fault line right here. The corrosion is worse than we thought.
The thermal shielding here seems compromised.
Yes, look at the data from the diagnostic scan. It confirms the weak point.
The armor plate here is completely compromised.
Yes, but look at the support frame underneath. We cut here.
Scan on the fracture point looks solid.
Yes, the tensile strength readings are well within tolerance now.
The structural integrity looks solid. The welding on the turret ring
The data confirms structural integrity on the repaired sections.
Very good. The heat treatment stabilized the stress points.
Keep going. Try the penetrating oil again. Focus on that main injector line.
I am, but it won't budge. We might need heat.
Clear the left pillar. Move it right, slowly.
The pressure on the turbos seems high.
It's within tolerance. The engine is running smoothly.
The gauge is fluctuating less now.
Adjust the flow rate slightly. Let's stabilize the bubbling. Five more centimeters down, easy now.
Alignment confirmed, brackets are flush.
Engaging the torque wrench. Start with the forward mounts.
Did you get the readings on the pressure valves?
Yes, they're fluctuating erratically. The rust goes deeper than we thought.
All right, slowly now. Watch the clearance on the right.
It's heavy. Steady on the crane.
Almost there. Bring it down easy. Slow down on the descent. Watch the alignment on section 3.
Looks good. Hold it there, we're engaging the locks.
The solder joint looks good under magnification.
All right, let's run the diagnostic sequence now.
All systems nominal. Pressure holding steady.
Fire control link established. Ready for calibration.
Диагностика завершена. Все системы в норме.
Отлично, товарищ инженер. Отмечено.
The ascent trajectory is perfectly stable.
Dampening curve confirms it. We are holding steady at apex.
Looks good. The repairs are validated.
Look at that, magnificent.
The restoration is complete.